Hey guys, Sam here, and in this video we got a lot of the smaller detailed stuff for the go-kart done, and so that's what this video is going to be. Hope you guys enjoy. So guys, we've been working on the go-kart, and I wanted to show you the exhaust. We were going to take the muffler out and go like build the flange and stuff, but we've since we're going with this whole fire truck theme and we have the radio, we figured keep the muffler on to kind of just quiet it down. So what I did was I just welded a piece of pipe coming out of the muffler and then just went straight down. This isn't it, we're not finished, and I also cut the heat shield to still go over it, so when you're looking at this way you still see, like, it makes it look just stock. But we're not done with the exhaust yet. We're gonna have it come out to the back to do like a dual pipe look, and then also I got some wire. This is 6-gauge wire. We read the manual and it recommends 2, 4, or 6 gauge, depending on how long you need it. That's, you know, like if you need it real long, you do the 2 gauge. If you need it shorter, you can use the 6 gauge. And we needed it shorter, so we used the 6 gauge. And I have a red one here. I zip tied it already to where, like, kind of how I want it. I just used an old sub woofer, like when hooking up subs, the red wire, and I bought this black one. So the black one's going to go here, and then the red one runs along the side, and I have it where it's still, so it runs along the side here and then comes out, but I got it where I could use the fuse. So right now there's a fuse in it, so if, you know, anything happens, the fuse blows. So, and then it comes around back to here. I just have it unhooked because I was soldering it, so I soldered that one, but this goes here, and then now the ignition works. So now what we're going to have to do, as you see, we have diamond plate on the sides here. We got them, you saw, or you see, and then we're taking the diamond plate to kind of make a to go here along this, and we're gonna have it go here and here, but it's gonna, how this follows that, it's gonna follow this, and then we could take the key, bring it up here, hook up switches, and go from there. So that's what we got so far. So now I'm working on a hood ornament. I got this rod here, and I also got this thick piece of metal, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut up this rod and like kind of make it like an airplane, because then what we're going to do is we're going to cut this piece off to make the wings, and then we're going to cut and round this off to make the body of the airplane. So right now I'm going to cut this piece, and then I'll get back to you after I work on it for a bit. So I cut the piece, it's right here, and I kind of rounded off the front so you kind of get an idea. you guys see I got the wings cut out, I got the body welded onto the wrench, and all I got to do is slap it on all together, and this is what we're thinking. So if you come along here on the grill, the wrench would sit like so, and this will be like this. So we just are going to be making a small little fin for here, and it was difficult to weld these on, so it's going to be really fun to weld this one on. So here's what I got on the grill. Here's it complete. As you see, we painted it red. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but there are red sparkles to make it like metal flake. And here's our hood ornament. We tried to do it like a 50s style plane, and we used a wrench for the stand. But here's the other side. Kind of see our reflection, but this is the grill looks like. So doing more work on the go-kart, and I've decided I'm going to go with some wood flooring. So I cut up some laminate flooring. I'm going to try to clip them together and put them in, and see how it looks. So another day working on the go-kart, and as you see, I'm working on interior. So I went to AutoZone. I bought this car cover for $20. I figured to get one with a little red, so you get the red stitching and this red line to kind of match the whole body and stuff. And also this was an old belt. I cut it in half, and as you see, it says Ford on it, and I figured C cabs are usually like Ford, like Model T's or Model A's or whatever, and I figured I'd use that to kind of tie it together. So this is just a rough, we're not finished, but just wanted to show you guys the idea. So this will work as a belt, and it's going to be, I got some foam in here, so, and there's going to be foam back here, so that's what it looks like for now, but I got to fit it all better in, and I'll show you once that's done. See, I got the hardwood floor in, and I finished tacking the seat, so I'm going to put that in now. And I actually, as I told you before, put a seat belt. There was a old belt on, so but I also have a backing, and for the backing it's the same thing, but then I put some polyfill, whatever. I put it around here, and then I glued the center here to give it that seat, and I left the cover on that so it slides around the back. And you just tuck in the rest. car seat look. And the reason why I went with the red is since everything's red and black, I figured I'd throw in some red detailing with the interior. So here's another detail we have. We made a small ladder, and it was actually made by one of the pastors at my church. Thank you, Pastor Bob. And as you can see along the line, the side rail there, we did it as a flame since we're going the whole fire truck theme, and we figured we'd throw some flames in there. So guys, there it is, and we're still waiting on some stuff, still got to get some stuff and do the finishing touches, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Next week it should definitely be done, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed your cruise down the Lashman Road.